Welcome back to RideBits. In this video, I would like to show you how easy it is to set up distance-based pricing. From the dashboard, I'm going to click on Settings, Rate Setup, Set up Distance-Based Pricing. To begin with, as you can see, there is a Manage Vehicle Classes button. Let's go ahead and click on this. This area will allow you to manage your different vehicle types. You can add a new vehicle by clicking on the Add New Vehicle Class link. You also have the option to edit existing vehicles in your fleet. As you can see, next to the Manage Vehicle Classes button, you can easily test your distance-based rates. Before I set up rates, I need to decide what rate group this will apply to. As you can see, I have four options. The rates I'm going to set up are for my regular rate group, so I will leave it on regular rate group. Now, let's get into setting up our distance-based pricing. I'm going to start with setting up a price for my sedan by clicking on it and then clicking the Add Rate button. Now, the first thing we need to determine is the base minimum miles. You're probably scratching your head wondering, what do they mean by that? These are the first miles or kilometers, depending upon your country, that your customer gets for free as part of the base fare. I'm going to click Edit and set mine for 5 miles. This means that the first 5 miles will not be charged extra to the customer. Next, I need to decide on my first distance rate. I'm going to say that anything between 0 and 20 miles, the minimum fare will be $50 and $2 a mile after the base minimum miles, which I already set to 5. Then I will just click Save. Now, I want to set up another price for trips between 20 miles and 50 miles. I'm going to click the Add Rate button again. I am going to say anything between 20 and 50 miles, the minimum fare will be $35 and $1.75 per mile, then just click Save. Lastly, I want to set a price from 50 miles to my maximum distance I will allow, which is 200 miles. Once again, I would click the Add Rate button, enter my 200 miles, minimum fare this time will be $25 and $1.50 per mile. Here's an important note. For example, if you set up distance-based rates that only go up to 50 miles, and one of your customers tries to book a trip that is 51 miles in length, they will not get a price. You need to make sure to set a maximum of 200 miles or whatever your maximum distance is. Questions? Visit our website, ridebits.com, or email us at support@ridebits.com.